got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you.
Just so cuckoo. We are monetized. We just got monetized today. Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Zasha, and if you're returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Please do not forget to tell your friends, tell their friends that it is nice this side, and also please don't skip ads. Please do not skip ads. Yeah, did you guys hear that? Please do not skip the ads. Like, don't skip ads, guys. I cannot believe I'm saying that. Oh my god, it has been a long, I mean like a very, very long journey. But we're here today. Oh my god. Please don't skip ads, guys. Like, you're gonna come across with some ads throughout this video. Please don't skip them. Please watch the ads. I'm so excited. Guys, we just got monetized. Today's the, what is the date? What is the date today, Beth? What is the date today? 23. 20. What? It is the 25th of November and we just got monetized today. Guys, can you hear what I'm saying? Guys, we just got monetized today on the 25th of November 2024. We just got monetized. Like, we got monetized, guys. Like, yeah. That is so cool. I'm so excited. But anyways, welcome to another vlog, guys. Welcome to a brand new vloggy. I'm not sure if I have enough space to carry on with this vlog because I'm currently busy with another vlog, the one before this one. So the previous vlog, I'm currently editing that vlog. It's a weekend vlog. It was supposed to go up today, but I'm not done with editing, so I think it's gonna go up tomorrow, which is Tuesday. But anyways, yeah, I'm just here to say hi guys. Thank you so much for the support that you guys have been giving me and the love that you guys have been showing on this channel. Please continue to do so. Yeah, I appreciate you so much, and please do not skip ads. I cannot believe I'm saying that. Please don't skip ads because your girl needs some content. But anyways, I will talk to you guys. Later. Not even wearing my shoes, Sana. Why are you wearing my shoes, girl? Because you love them. So okay, Sana, let's try and vlog. I'm gonna cook with you guys. Okay, right now the plan is to bake. I wanna bake some biscuits. I've been craving biscuits this past few days, so I'm gonna bake some biscuits. I'm gonna make the 3 ingredients biscuit and then start cooking after baking. I'm hoping that I have enough space to do all that on camera. Yeah, let's just hope that I have enough space. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm just here to say hi guys. We just got monetized, and please do not skip ads, and thank you so much for the love and the support. Oh my god. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Let's just, yeah, let me try and open up more space so that I can do everything that I want to do with you guys on camera, which is baking and cooking. I love you guys so much. Hi guys, yo, it is so hot in the kitchen. It is super hot, yo. Okay, so I'm cooking and baking at the same time, so it is so hot. But anyways, I'm standing outside right now. I'm just here to get the fresh air. It is super hot in the kitchen, but anyways, I'm gonna cut the carrot right now. And yeah, I'm a strong woman, Mina, cooking and baking at the same time. I'm joking, but yeah, anyways, I'm just here to say hi guys. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my
Hi guys, welcome to another day. Today today's Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. Yesterday I didn't vlog, so yeah, today's Wednesday. It is the second day of this vlogging. I don't know what's going on here, and it's so painful. It is so painful, but anyways, it's 1:30 right now. And yeah, I woke up in the morning. I got Amy ready for school, and then I made breakfast for me, Ova and Akumi. We ate, and then I started making the beds. I cleaned around, and then I started doing laundry. Wait, I started with the laundry before making breakfast. Yes, so I started with the laundry before making breakfast, and then we ate, and then I started cleaning around. I made the bed, I swept the floor, did the dishes, and then it started raining, so I chilled. It was raining outside, so right now it's 1:30. It is 1:30 right now, and I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm super hungry. I wanted to go and buy kota. I'm craving kota so bad, but now that the weather is like this, I cannot go outside. Like, it is raining. It's raining like really hard. It's pouring. So I started to cook lunch. I'm making pap with some tin fish. We're gonna have pap and tin fish for lunch, me and my kids. And then yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm currently cooking, and yeah, I'm currently cooking. And then yeah, Amy just got back from school. She came back with this cap. They got this cap from the music teacher, something like that. But yeah, they got that cap, and then yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm just here to update you guys and introduce this day. Yeah, I'm currently cooking. I have pap on the stove. The tin fish is ready. So when the pap is ready, I'm gonna dish up for me and my kids. We're gonna have lunch and then chill. It is still raining outside, so we're just going to chill. Yeah, and also I had to pause doing my laundry. I think I'm gonna continue tomorrow with the laundry if it's not raining. So yeah, anyways, that's the update, and please do not skip the eggs. Please don't skip eggs, because it girl did some ching ching. But anyways, yeah guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna dish up with you, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast, find my head a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. That you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say oh. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave. Oh.
Hi guys. Hey guys, welcome to another day. Today's Thursday and I'm on my way to buy some koda. I'm craving koda since yesterday, so at least today it's not raining, and yeah, so I'm on my way to get the koda, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later when I get back from the koda place.
It's not that I don't want